The Dugard 500A is exactly what the machine tool industry has been waiting for. A very basic VMC, but with most of the requirements of a full production model. This machine does just what it says it will, no more, no less. We're not offering lots of options, as by limiting the build cost we can keep the cost to you extremely low. It has an X-axis traverse of 500mm, Y-axis traverse of 320mm and Z-axis traverse of 400mm. The table size is 800 by 320mm. The maximum recommended table load is 300 kilograms and the spindle nose to table surface measurement is 120 to 520mm. Maximum spindle speed is 10,000 RPM, driven by a 5.5 kilowatt motor with a standard BT40 taper. Feed rate in all axes is 1 to 4,000 millimeters a minute, and rapids in all axes are 18,000 millimeters a minute. The 500A has a 10-station umbrella-type automatic tool changer. The maximum tool diameter is 100 millimeters. Tool length is 200 millimeters. Tool weight is 5 kilograms and chip-to-chip change time is 6 seconds. To keep the price so low, machine options are limited. We're only offering a 4th axis and indexer. It's a compact machine at 1,600mm wide, 1,840mm deep and 2,110mm high, and it weighs 2,500 kilograms. The Dugard 500A VMC is incredibly accurate, it's reasonably fast in operation and is built on linear guideways. It's targeting small part machining and education. It's at an unbelievably low price and will definitely have a place in most machine shops. It's the perfect machine for training and education purposes and of course less complex jobs. For more information on the Dugard 500A VMC, please go to our website www.dugard.com.